She is the proud mother of 4 sons, and welcomed her youngest with fiancé Michael ONeill in September. And Danielle Lloyd melted the hearts of her followers on Sunday, by sharing snaps of her children dressed in elf costumes to celebrate their magical Christmas Eve. The former beauty queen, 34, posted photos of her boys dressed as famous festive characters on, sweetly gushing to her fans that she loves spending Christmas with her kids. Scroll down for video. Danielle proved the family were really getting into the Christmas spirit, by sharing images of her sons Archie, Harry, George and Ronnie in hilarious festive get-up. She first shared a snap of newborn Ronnie, who gazed at the camera in an adorable elf costume, complete with bright green jacket, belt and yellow leggings. Not stopping there, Danielle then shared another heartwarming snap of Ronnie giggling on the sofa between her 2 eldest, dressed in an equally playful Santa's helper and Santa Claus costume. Clearly enjoying a fun family day ahead of the festivities, Danielle gushed to her followers, "All the boys dressing up to go for a festive drink. Love my kids. Christmas is so magical." Danielle is mother to Archie, Harry and George with her ex-husband Jamie O'Hara, while she welcomed her first son Ronnie with fiancé Michael ONeill in September. Although Ronnie is only 3 months old, the brunette beauty has made no secret of the fact she'd like to add another one to her brood in the future. She recently told the Mirror, "If I was to have another one, I'd hope it was a girl. I feel so lonely in the house. They all do boys stuff and I'm like the cleaner and the cook." "The boys are amazing, they're so good with Ronnie, they kiss him and cuddle him all the time. They want a girl as much as I do though. They all keep saying, 'I want a sister.'" She even recently confessed her desire to embark on gender selection, in order to ensure she has a daughter in the future. She said on Loose Women, "I've always wanted a girl. I totally appreciate the fact that some women aren't lucky enough to have children and might think I'm selfish. Michael and I will go abroad for gender selection. I don't doubt that many celebrities do it, but not many people say it." The announcement hugely divided her fans, leading the former beauty queen to firmly defend the decision on. Sharing a clip of her sons all declaring their desire for a sister on, she wrote to her followers, "Need I say more? Gender selection is a family decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment your opinion, share this video and subscribe to my channel. New videos are uploaded every day.